While die-hard off-roading media were making cool moves with 6 new Jeep and Mopar concept vehicles here in the mountains of Moab, Utah last week, the Jeep brand rolled out the welcome mat for enthusiasts and their customized rides in the parking lot of Walker Drugs. It's a Moab Easter Jeep Safari tradition, featuring a picnic, contests, and no shortage of highly personalized, one-of-a-kind Jeep owner inspiration. Take a look.
Actually, we were doing some wheeling a couple years ago back in some of the backcountry here, and we got to a spot where it was all rock, so we couldn't drive a stake in anywhere, and we needed a self-standing tent. We took our hard top off and our soft top off, and we've mounted our rooftop tent right to the roll cage of the Jeep. What's nice is our adjustable rail system allows you to mount it to any vehicle with the crossbar systems. I have a 2008 four-door Wrangler, has a 4-inch lift on it and 37-inch tires. It's my 4th Jeep, so I've owned a few.
Reporting for Chrysler Digital Media, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.